develop baga.
Please be seated. As we look at the world around us and the role our graduates will assume in it, it seems that our graduates are facing a future that is going to make severe demands upon them.
I welcome you here again on our graduation. However, you think that this is a graduation which up to the diploma and passing the board, you really can be smooth sailing. We must also realize the shortcomings we have as a human being, that in spite of prayers, we may not be able to surpass what our readings. You were here and have finished your courses. I heard this morning all the prayers you have it indulged in so many things, regarding the institution where you're working or where you have. Always be sure that one, you must always be honest. Second, there must be always an integrity. And third, which is supposed to be first, is that you must be God-fearing and be a Christian. This afternoon, this institution has graduated you through the efforts of the faculty, through the efforts of the dean, and through the efforts of all the administration that have been helping this college for years.
So it comes to pass 18 years ago. Our speaker is a resident of Sevilla and the middle tribe of Mr. Rodolfo Guinea.
together.
2 minutes for Dr.
Candidates for graduation in Bachelor of Science in Technology is rise. Candidates for graduation